I think that this cognitive test is proving that the military is taking mental health more seriously than we ever have.
Starting in 2025, the Department of Defense will now require new recruits to undergo cognitive assessments. The Secretary of Defense also adding new distance and protective equipment directives for blast training exercises. This is all an effort to mitigate, track, and reduce the brain health risks of blast overpressure, which can occur during weapons explosions.
And over time, that can cause microbleeding. If there's any pressure on the brain, any bleeding, anything, some functional level will be impaired.
In March, a brain analysis of the Lewiston gunman Robert Card showed he likely suffered from a traumatic brain injury, and researchers suggested this was due to his work as an Army Reserve grenade instructor. But Army leaders believe that Card's injuries came from a fall at his home, not due to blast exposure.
So the fall from the house on a ladder, I believe, is the injury that took place. The amount of exposure that he had is to other shock is relatively minor.
Maine mental health specialists say they've seen service members with a variety of head injuries over the years, and those impacts can oftentimes go unnoticed.
But you can get anything from depression and anxiety and cognitive problems that develop over time, such as impaired memory, impaired decision-making, and personality changes. So this is a very, very important move of the Department of Defense.
Maine veterans also behind this new effort, and they hope it shows the military's need to do more to address mental health moving forward.
Right now, it's a Band-Aid because there is no quick fix for something like this. So it's going to be a trial and error thing, but there are being steps taken in the right direction.
Maine's independent Senator Angus King also applauding these new policies, saying in a statement that this is another positive step toward helping our community heal while also working to prevent unnecessary harm to service members and veterans. Live in the studio, I'm Kate McCusker for Maine's Total Coverage.